Uzalo latest episode on Friday. Previous episode. Nkunzi had finally pushed Sibonelo too far. Nsizwa begged Nonka for a chance to explain. Fikile and Sbu put together a plan and start putting things in motion. In the episode on Friday, 15 March 2019, Sibonelo was forced to stay in Kwamashu when his car hit Nsizwa. Nkunzi refused to let Sibonelo call an ambulance. He wanted to take care of things his way. Nsizwa picked a fight with Sbu. About Uzalo and latest episodes on YouTube. Uzalo is a South African soap drama conceptualized and produced by Stained Glass Productions. It has been running since 9 February 2015 and is currently in its 4th season. Uzalo airs weekdays on SABC1 at 20:30. As of 1 March 2019, the South African Broadcasting Corporation SABC no longer airs full episodes of Uzalo on YouTube. The South African public broadcaster took the decision to air episodes of its most watched soapies on a Hong Kong-based and paid video streaming service known as View.
Yeah.